So unpackaging this, you could see that it was packaged really well, which means the company really takes a quality care in their product when it comes to shipping and, of course, the quality of the product alone. It comes with 4 different slicers and a little push thing to push your food down so that nothing gets stuck and you can definitely get all of that chopped up just how you need it done. Installing it was so easy, and I love this about the KitchenAid. You literally just push it in there and tighten it and you're ready to go. The hookups for each of the slicers are into a little star, and then you take it and just twist. And boom, there we go. We're ready to go. And then you just add your food and voila, you've got sliced and diced.